specific name, but yes, I'm so excited. Kylan? Oh, that's that neighborhood. Yo, look at this beautifulness. Yes! Perfect way to wake up, right? This is the Aloha Lagoon. This is the fort. Koalina? I thought it was Alua. Yeah, Alua Lagoon at the Disney Resort. Yeah, this place is beautiful.
Snorkel and explore around.
Yes. Alright, we're out on Waikiki, guys. They said that there's a seal up here. I'm trying to see if I can see it. It says, I'm sleeping. A Hawaiian seal. Let's see if we can see it. Oh, it's huge. Holy cow. Look at it. He just sleeping. He just big chilling out here. I guess he was like, hey guys, I want to come be with the fam. Wow. But Waikiki is looking beautiful today. So we're about to fly the drone out here on the ocean, y'all. And Cedric's brother is about to arrive. I can't wait. See, is about to flip his mind. What's up, CJ Squad? So I just wanted to click in right here and let you guys know about our new drone. We got a drone. Oh my goodness, it's the mini DJI. And oh my goodness, we absolutely love this. So we were testing this out in Waikiki while we were waiting for the family to get there. Unfortunately, their flight got delayed, so I had to like really stall. I was stalling, y'all. I was stalling. So we were out in Waikiki, just chilling. Ced was doing some boogie board action, and we just had a really great time. But a little story time. So I tried to get his reaction when they got to the beach to meet us, guys, and my phone absolutely quit. And Ced's phone had 0 storage, so we were literally like out of luck. But you know, we made the most of it, and we got through this vlog. We had a great time out in Hawaii. If anybody ever goes to Hawaii, tell us about their trip, because we always are like trying to find new spots. Maybe you guys visit somewhere that we didn't. We try to travel that whole island in a week and we never get through the whole thing, but we try our best. We try to hit a beach on every side of the island, and we absolutely loved it. But I just want to say thank you so much for supporting our channel, guys. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and enjoy the rest of our drone footage. Have been terrible vloggers. It's been a weather whirlwind today.
The sun's back out.
But the sun is back out, so we're going.
The monsoon just passed through.
Yes, so we're gonna hopefully get some more water footage today. But we're headed to Aloha's OMG Grill, y'all. This is the goat.
The spot.
This is the real goat. You wouldn't know it's here because you have to go up these secret stairs. It's it's about to be go down. Hi. What did we get last time? I think I got a quesadilla last time, didn't I? Yes, we have to go up there. Pour water out. Thank you for another day out here in Hawaii. May you keep us safe and use and pray. Amen. Perfect. It's about to go down. Is it busting so hard? Good, baby. I'm ready.
It tastes like Mexico.
I gotta put my sour cream in here because you know it's nothing like a good old sour cream bowl. Not good. That is good. Oh, now that was delicioso. Muy delicioso. Wasn't it delicious, baby? So I guess we're about to go. I'm about to go just snorkel a little bit. I think baby is going to snorkel with me. Here we go. We just parked. So our room, we got an Airbnb life hack. Do you think this is a good life trick? When you come to Waikiki, unless you just want to be out here balling, if you want to save some duckies, get an Airbnb. But what? Oh, we up front. Oh, I know. I just forgot. I just didn't know where our car was. I was like, where did our car go? Anyway, you want to save some money? Go on Airbnb. We literally are staying out here for a week, and what was the total? Like it was just a couple $100s for the whole time we were here. Last time we stayed in Waikiki, we paid like $2,000 for the room. So big difference in a couple hundred versus thousands of dollars that you're gonna have to pay in resort fees and the Hawaii taxes and all that good stuff. So travel hack, if you really want to get a good deal, go to Airbnb. They have a lot of cute little condos that are right here on the beach. Like, we're walking, we parked, we got a really good parking spot, and we're about to walk back to our room. Our room is right here, and go right to the beach. The beach is right there.
That's right.
Really, really close. But yeah, this morning we was having all kinds of rain issues. As soon as I was about to jump in, y'all, everything just poured. It was raining all morning, but now the sun is out. I think it's out for good, because see, look, baby, all the clouds are gone. Yes. It's gonna be a good evening.
You knew it was gonna get a little ugly, but it passed over.
Yes, it passed over. So we are Gucci now. Oh yeah, we can cut through this parking lot. So yes, they said there was some really good fish, so I'm gonna try to get y'all some fishy footage. Baby can get some footage too. We're gonna get some good footage for y'all. So we'll see you when we get on the beach, y'all.
Whoa! These waves are not playing. Look at this wave coming. Don't stand over here. I see urgent.
I know. I just stepped on what I think.
Come on, let's go. Kick to our shore.
Kick. I was like, I stepped on something. I said, oh, I think I just stepped on something. It would hit my pinky toe.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're chilling in the rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me good.
We're at Wamanela Bay. My phone is really tripping, but we're having a great time. Look at this view, y'all. It's the longest beach in Oahu. Like, it's so pretty. Compared to Lanikai, like, look at it.
do a Wamanala Bay water test. Violent.
Oh yeah, the waves are violent. So I would recommend children.
Y'all, it's cold. It's cold. I usually just jump in with them, but
You got our lifeguard.
Island vibe. We got bro and the fam out. Got me and my baby.
It's the prettiest gem ever. Like, y'all see this? I thought Lonnie Tyler was beautiful. This place is beautiful and it's huge. Tons of parking. Definitely come to Wamanala. Like, I know I look good. Look good. Look good.
Go, 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 go. Build that castle, baby. I don't know nothing about sandcastle architecture, but baby's doing her thing right now.
Big castle. There, of course, that. That's the first one. They come out perfect, but we gonna get another one. We building a house.
Baby's on sandcastle duty. Wamanala Bay behind us. Just chilling out, enjoying the beach day, the day before my birthday. That's all we wanted to do.
Ced and Juju.
We'll get better on the
Yes, we're gonna make another one. Ced, can you guys see that? Ced and Juju. It's your birthday.
birthday time.
It's your birthday. How do you feel?
the rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite.
Okay guys, so we're at Giovanni's. Oh my god, the lighting is terrible. But yes, we're gonna try it. It's gonna be so good. Are you excited?
Yes.
Me too. Guys, look, we did it. If you find us at Giovanni's, we'll have a special surprise. We can come find our name. We about to eat at Giovanni's. Woo! That looks good.
It smells good.
Smells good.
It just does. Home sweet home. Dallas, Texas. Salute.
thank God.
Triple salute. Happy to see you.
So happy.
Time to go home.
I'm gonna sleep.